Delkor Site Management Program has been a really great thing for us. Our site manager, Paul, has been a key liaison for us, going between Sweet Candy Company and Delkor, working through a variety of different things, from new formats that we're ramping up to warranty-related issues to just overall line improvements. And Paul, our site manager, has been great at following up with us and really pushing the agenda forward, making sure that we're continually checking off actions, making progress, and getting to our end goal. Getting things done, getting the line operating as efficiently as it can, and improving the reliability of the equipment. He's been critical in helping us ramp up formats very fast, making sure that they come online and are operating at their expected rate right away. From Paul, I get a weekly status report on any open punch list items, also a status update on where we are with ramping up all the different pack formats. I think this is a great visual. It helps our team to track where we're at in our ramp up and know exactly where we stand with Delkor and when we can expect to have all of our punch list items completed. Overall, the Delkor team, they've all been great to work with, from sales to engineering to site management to the technicians. They've all been extremely responsive. They're paying attention to how the line is doing, how it's performing, are they meeting expectations. I'm constantly getting asked for feedback from all these different areas. And for us, what that's translated to is that we have a piece of equipment out there that really meets our needs. It's highly flexible. It's making a ton of different pack formats for us, and the capability is off the charts for us. It's really an integrated end-to-end solution that meets our needs. As we're on a journey to automate much of our process, Delkor has been a huge part of that and will continue to be a huge part of that.